Hello dear students, myself Anal Patni from Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, Siusha Institute of Sciences run by Siu Ronak Foundation and affiliated with Gujarat University. Today in this session, we are going to learn normal growth curve of bacteria and other topics related to growth curve and growth pattern. So, in the earlier session, I give you a brief knowledge about the different phases of growth curve. As you can see the graph, there are four phases, that is lag phase, log phase, stationary phase and death phase. Now, each phases we are going to study in detail. So, let us start with lag phase. So, lag means usually depressed or a suppressed development of any growth time. So, that specific time is known as lag phase. Whenever we inoculate a microbial culture into a fresh medium, growth begins only after a period of time. That is known as lag phase. The interval may be extended depending on the depending on the type of inoculum. Like the nature of the medium, the growth condition of inoculum, etc. If an active culture is transferred into the same medium under the same condition of growth like temperature, aeration, there will be essentially no lag and exponential growth begins immediately. But inoculum is taken from an old culture, there is usually a lag because the cells are depleted of various essential conditions and time is required for their biosynthesis. A lag is also encountered when the inoculum is of low viability or contains cells that have been damaged but not killed by some stressor, such as high or low temperature, radiation, or toxic chemicals. A lag phase is also observed when a microbial culture is transferred from a rich culture medium to a poor one. For example, for a complex medium to defined medium. To grow in any culture medium, the cell must have a complete complement of enzymes for synthesis of the essential metabolites not present in that medium. Hence, upon a medium downshift, essential metabolites must be biosynthesized and time is needed for synthesis of the new enzymes required, and for this to procedure a small pool of each metabolites. So, as we know, there is no visible increase in cell number during lag phase, but metabolic and physiological changes do occur in the bacteria to prepare them for the rapid growth. So, there are various changes occur in the bacteria. The number of ribosome, amount of RNA, DNA and protein increases in the cell. Physiological activities of the weak cells. The overall rate of metabolic activity and respiration also increases. Now there are some other factors affecting to the lag phase, that is type of inoculum, the nutrient availability of the medium composition, the condition of organism in inoculum, size of inoculum, various growth condition and type of organisms. At the end of the lag phase, each organism divides. However, since not all organisms complete the lag period simultaneously, there is a gradual increase in the population until the end of this period, when all cells are capable of dividing at regular intervals. So, earlier phase, that is lag phase, that is basically a phase that prepares organism for the rapid growth. Now let us come to exponential phase, that is also known as log phase or a logarithmic phase. During this period, the cells divide steadily at a constant rate, and the log of the number of cells plotted against time result in the straight line. You can also see in the graph that, see, this is the exponential phase. So the line of this phase is straight. So there is a gradual increase into the cell number, and pattern of population is mostly uniform in terms of chemical composition of cell, metabolic activity and other physiological characters. Nutrient availability is a most effective factor during log phase. Initially, medium contain nutrients in maximum amount, and gradually it is being depleted from the medium due to the utilization by microorganisms. Now, cells are continuously growing, so cell mass also increase, and it leads to increase in viscosity of medium, and this provides unfavorable condition to the organism for uptake of nutrients and oxygen. During the growth, chemical environment of the medium undergoes a constant change because some excreting material also released by organism, and they are mixed up with the media only. So sometimes it may affect so much to the growth and slower down the growth. Sometimes they are toxic too, and from that time stationary phase starts. When there is a low concentration of nutrients, growth becomes limited and slowly increase, but it can be increased by higher nutrient concentration, but in a higher hyperbolic manner. It is seen in some enzyme production process. At sufficient higher nutrient level, the transport system are saturated and the growth rate is become stable. From that time, stationary phase starts. In stationary phase, there is no net increase or decrease in cell number, and so the growth rate of the population is zero. You can see in the graph that it is a straight horizontal line of stationary phase. That also indicates that there is no increase in cell number. Metabolic activities and biosynthetic process may continue in stationary phase, but as such in a reduced growth rate. Nutrient availability is limited because maximum amount of nutrients are used in a log phase. Some cells even may divide during stationary phase, but no net increase in cell number because some cells in the cell mass are died. We can say that the two process, that is cell division and cell dies, balancing each other out, and that is known as cryptic growth. So these are some important reasons that why organisms are supposed to show this type of growth pattern and remain stable in stationary phase, and sooner or later the population will enter into the death phase. The number of viable cells often declines exponentially with dying at constant rate is known as death phase. This phase is also called as negative logarithmic or negative exponential phase, because in log phase we saw that growth pattern is logarithmic and in increasing manner. So it named as log or logarithmic or exponential phase. But here it is opposite of that happen. So it also named as negative logarithmic and negative exponential phase. Two factors are most responsible are nutrient deprivation, that is decrease in nutrient material, and excessive accumulation of toxic waste material. As far death rate will not be same of all the organism, even it differ with every species. Usually gram-negative bacteria decline sharply and positive bacteria die slowly, and viable cells may persist for prolonged period in the culture. Some different growth patterns observed during the growth of microorganism when different nutrients availability is present in the medium. First one is diauxic growth. When there are two different carbon or energy source present in the medium, then organism shows diauxic growth. As shown in the graph, there are two lag phase. For example, if there are glucose and lactose, both carbon substance available in medium, then organism first utilize glucose because it is easier to utilize, and then lactose, and continue their growth. Once glucose amount gets exhausted, then organism try to survive and find another nutrient, so that small phase of time where organisms switch to lactose from glucose, that is another lag phase of organism, and afterward they utilize lactose and growth occurs. After the completion of lactose into the medium, organisms goes into the stationary and death phase accordingly. So this growth pattern is known as diauxic growth. Another growth pattern is synchronous growth. Usually, the cells in a population occur in different state of physiology as well as cell division, even though they are inoculated at the same time in the medium. So, study of organisms from such population does not provide reliable information on the behavior of individual cell. It can be obtained by study of population from synchronous cultures. So, synchronous growth is the one where all cells in the culture are in the same state of physiology and cell division. They will divide at the same time. Since all cells in the synchronously growing culture divide at a time, they yield a zigzag pattern of growth shown below as in the graph. So you can observe that first there is a vertical line, straight vertical line observed in the graph, then a horizontal line. So It shows that for some time there will be no increase in cell number and then suddenly the cell number doubles. This is because all cells divide at a time. You can see in the graph that synchrony in the growth hardly remains for 2 to 3 generations. See, this is a first generation, this is for a second generation, and this is for a third generation. Then the culture loses synchrony and cells start dividing in heterogeneous manner. All cells do not divide at same time. The rate at which cell division takes place depends on the age of the cell. Young cells are smaller in size as compared to old cells. Cells with intermediate size grow more rapidly, again very large grow very slowly. So, this is how synchronous growth takes place. The third one is continuous growth. In both experimental research and in industrial process, it is very difficult to maintain a bacterial population growing at a particular rate in an exponential phase or a log phase. This condition is known as steady state growth. So, basically, to maintain any of the phase for longer period of time is known as steady state growth. So, the culture volume and the cell concentration are both kept constant by allowing fresh sterile medium to enter the culture vessel at the same rate that spent medium. Spent medium is removed from the growing culture. Under this condition, the rate at which new cells are produced in the culture vessel is exactly balanced by the rate at which cells are being lost through the overflow from the culture vessel. So, this condition is known as continuous culture condition. Here we are completed with bacterial growth curve phases and different growth patterns. In next session, we are going to study how to obtain this different growth pattern in laboratory and criteria for growth measurement. Thank you for hearing. If you have any query, can mail at given ID. Thank you.